works in off-road. This is my green XJ. Today we're going to be installing some stuff from Paragrip. You can find him on Instagram. He makes plenty of quality Jeep products, but today we're going to be doing grab handles for the left and right side front doors. They're going to go up on the A-pillars, well, right above the window. So there's one part that's not very obvious, and I'm going to show you that right now. Alright, you're going to notice that you have two screws holding your handle on the passenger side. They're going to be T25 Torx. So grab your corresponding ratchet and get to it. You'll notice that on your driver's side, you don't have holes for a grab handle. What you're going to do is, you see there's a crack in the plastic over here. You're going to take it off, and that will reveal your holes. See, it just removes real easy like that. That will reveal your holes so you know where to mark where your screws are going to go and where you're going to drill. Or another way that you can prepare your driver's side is by making a sort of gasket sort of deal with tape or something, and then outline where your regular holes would be, and then do it on the driver's side, and then cut it out that way. So we're gonna go ahead and take some tape, and we're gonna put it over the passenger side where the holes are, and we will trace the holes on the tape and then move it over this side from measuring the same from A pillar to B pillar, and then use a Dremel with a little cutting bit to cut the holes on this side. Now that we got our holes cut, we can go ahead and get our new handles mounted up. Find yourself some screws and some washers. The hole is pretty sizable, so I found me some bolts that were about the same size as they are the same size as the stock ones. They're not quite as long, but if you can find some that are longer, it'd be best, because these handles and the hardware with them they're made out of good stuff. They're thick, they're heavy duty. So grab yourself some bolts and washers, and then if you got a drill, use a drill. If you got a, whatever kind of bolt you use a screwdriver or whatever it is, and get them screwed into the holes that are in the pillar frame here. They look exactly like the ones on the passenger side. Thanks again for watching, and please check out my other videos. Subscribe for more off-road content and auto installs. Please go check out Paragrip on Instagram. His products are awesome. You can get them for all sorts of Jeeps. I highly recommend it. My LinkTree is going to be in the description. It'll have the links to my YouTube, my Instagram, my rev kit, everything. Please go check that out as well. Have a nice day.